Meteorologist Joe Bastardi here. A brief whether or not on the tropics this morning because we're going to have a news-making cyclone going into, and this is not recorded in front of a live guinea pig audience this morning, okay? All right, I'm getting ready to work out here, so that's what I do, all right, besides the other stuff I do. But let me show you what's going on in the Bay of Bengal. And this area is infamous for the world's deadliest cyclones because it's low-lying, and these storm surges 20 to 30 feet come in. I believe there's a Ganges River Delta, and we've had just outrageous loss of life in there. This is becoming a major. We were forecast to become a major, and it's heading toward Calcutta and areas from Calcutta eastward. This could be a very, very bad storm. Meanwhile, in the Bahamas, we have clients in the Bahamas. I have clients at Weather Bell and been warning them that we had this upper air low that came southeastward. It cut off down here. The ridge is building over the top, and guess what? This is coming down to the surface. And so what we're forecasting here, I'm putting this on YouTube so people aren't sure, where did this come from, right? This happens. This is over warm water. A couple years ago, they named a storm out here over 20 degrees Celsius water. This, to me, has to be watched. It's going to propagate northwest toward Florida, probably reaching Florida around Friday. But as it does, these folks in the Bahamas will be getting heavy rains and also wind gusts to tropical storm force at least. Do not be surprised if this shows up with a, you see it, get the curlicue, and that the Hurricane Center starts looking at it, okay? So I don't want people shocked. And on the whether or not, this is a whether or not does this develop, I don't know if it would get named, but I do know there will be tropical storm conditions moving through the Bahamas and perhaps toward Florida, reaching Florida, I should say, because after all, if it's moving northwest through the Bahamas, it has to be moving toward Florida, all right? So there'd be something for you folks to watch. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.